All right, I got a great update here for AKO. AKO, if you guys never heard the story, is something we recommended um, a while back as a buy the share plan back in the October area. And Power Trigger Trade Shaya actually held this a lot of shares in the 525 average area. We had targets at the time of around $9 to $10, but then we exploded much higher. Um, And at the same time, based on a lot of statistical facts that we look at, some of the Shia's fundamental analysis, and the action of this stock's history, combination of a lot of things I'm looking at, this stock here is setting up to test $22 to $24 a share. So AKO is a buy the shares special plan. I will be explaining some facts in this video. Targets for AKO are $22 to $24 a share, but confirmation will be key. This is a Power Trigger Trade Shia and Power Trigger Trade Sandro special update. This is a stock that I've been talking about with Power Trigger Trade Shia. We've been talking about this stock for a while. This is more like a longer term hold. I mean, he's made 200% gains, over 200% gains in the first purchase of AKO. So you want to listen to us because we know what we're talking about. This is, again, he held the shares. I did not. However, I brought AKO to Shia's attention, and then Shia really liked this. Did some fundamental analysis on it, and combined with my technical, me discovering the stock through the technical analysis. Bingo, over 200. I think he did about 250% gains on the first trade. But this still has strong gains. This stock could be a good super stock here, people. But right now, this needs to confirm, and this anything. Listen, you never know. The thing about market, you got a plan, and so here's a plan I'm making for now. And if I don't make an update, this is what is going to stay. AKO needs to break above 1450 on some strong action volume. Strong action volume is 2 million shares on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is not there, then so if they happen to bring this up, and we don't really crush 14.5 on strong volume with 2 million shares, because believe me, this stock here, when it really wants to move, volume is the key. Okay, it is simply the key. In fact, if anybody entered on the power of this day, you would have made a lot of money. Okay, in fact, prior to all I know is we recommended this to some Power Trigger Trade Shia recommended this to some other people just about 2 weeks before the breakout, and this was caught by my system. By the way, people, of all the rules, 2 weeks we had another signal prior to the big move. Okay, so this stock here is super strong, and all this action it's doing now is simply consolidating for a move. And the thing about this is that we could get a move, a strong move anytime. So this is why I'm making this plan here. AKO right now needs to break. You got to look for volume and power here, basically. I will make more updates on AKO, but this is something to be really focusing on. If you want to catch big moves, you've got to stock your prey. And this is a stock that I'm going to be stocking because I think this is going to make some nice dime dollar moves. It's something to hold for shares. I really focus on option shares. Now, if you like this plan, by the way, you can follow me on Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits and Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. And on StockTwits is a link to my website. Let's click on it. Let's take a look at it. So here's my website. It loads up here, and you can see the nice animation. I really focus a lot on options. As you can see, there's the animation happening in Sandro, Power Trigger Trade Shia. Isn't that nice, people? Isn't that nice? Anyways, click on this video. We have to go to the website though and see this what I'm about with options. This is exactly what it made 300% gains in options, but this is a little different type of trading. Okay. Again, you can find this on. See here. Here's my YouTube channel. So for example, if you click here, it brings you to the YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel is called Power Target Trades. Subscribe. Go to it. and subscribe. I'm going to have a circle here. So that is, there's going to be a circle with my Sandro Power Trick or Trade. Subscribe to it. Follow me on Power Trick or Trade. Again, if you can see on my website, if you click on here, here's a Twitter link, and that brings you to Power Trick or Trade on StockTwits. I mean on Twitter. All right, people. So there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe. Power Target Trades on YouTube, and then even here's the link to my website. You'll see again Sandro Power Trick or Trade circle up here. Click on it to subscribe. Thanks for listening. Like the video.